Morning everyone. Let's begin with a simple question. Why are AI agents suddenly everywhere? From ChatGPT and Gemini to Copilot, Cloud, and hundreds of niche bots. AI agents are booming. But what exactly are AI agents? So these are not just passive chatbots. They observe, reason, act, and learn. So they can book meetings, write emails, automate workflows, generate content, run code, and even negotiate. So we have moved from AI as a tool to AI as a teammate. So now the world is asking that, is it good or bad? So let's break that down here. So the good side of AI agents are, the first one is productivity gains. So companies are automating the boring stuffs like data entry jobs, summarizing reports, customer support, and even coding. So imagine a AI agent handling 100 support tickets in 1 hour. So that's like a superhuman who doesn't sleep. And the second one is accessibility, and agents are leveling the playing field. Like a farmer in a village can talk to an AI in his language to check crop prices. And another example would be a student can get instant tutoring, or a visually impaired person can see through AI powered glasses. So it isn't about efficiency, it's about the inclusion. And the third one would be the autonomy of scale. In software, agents are being used as autonomous developers. So you just tell it and it will build that app according to our instructions. So it fetches data, builds the UI, connects the APIs, and even deploys the app. So it's like giving you a idea of life without needing a full development team. Now coming to the bad side, uh, because every great tech comes with a shadow. The first one would be the job displacement. So some jobs will vanish fast, like call center agents, or entry level writers, or routine analysis, or basic coding roles. So these roles will vanish soon because of AI. And companies won't replace everyone, but they will need fewer people. So one agent can do what three junior employees might take a week to finish. It's scary, yes, and it can be avoidable partially, but if we only if we upskill fast than the AI. And the second concern would be the misinformation. Like AI can generate fake news, fake videos, fake voices. It's already being used in political manipulation, scams, and deepfakes. So now imagine agents that can plan, launch, and spread misinformation automatically. So that's not just a bug; that's a weapon against the world. Recently, there's a news that a agent deletes the database and shows the fake database while white coding. So the third reason for not trusting the AI would be the over reliance and laziness. So we are slowly outsourcing our brains. Don't know how to write an email. Let the AI do it. Or too lazy to learn the Excel formulas. Just ask the AI agent to do that. Or if we have to prepare for an interview, the AI will generate the questions and answers. But what happens is, when we stop thinking, becomes risky. Like we risk becoming clickers of button, not creators of ideas. Like we would become that much lazier if we continue like this. So should we use or avoid the AI agents? So do you avoid electricity because it can shock you, or would you avoid the internet because it has an hackers? No, right? So you learn to use it wisely.
Like agents are not gods, they are not monsters, they are just tools to help our journey. And like any tool, a knife, a car, or a smartphone, it's not about the tool, it's about how we use it. Like we can uh, suppose we have a very busy schedule, and we need to reply to some emails. So at that situation we can't rely on AI to send the replies or automate your task. But if we do like that for every thing that we have to do, then we would become very much lazy, and like there would be no interest in doing anything. So let's go back in time, like when calculators were introduced in schools. People protested against that. Like kids will forget how to do math, will become dumb. But we didn't stop calculators. Instead, we redesigned the curriculum. Like same with the AI agents, we shouldn't avoid them. We should rebuild our systems around them, like jobs, schools, tools, ethics, like that. So what we should do is, as students, developers, and citizens, we must focus on how to or learn to collaborate with the AI. Don't fight it or partner with it. And the developers should know the prompt engineering. The writers should explore the co-creation with AI, and the designers should test the AI-based UI tools. Like use AI as a springboard, not a crutch. And like this next thing we have to do is build human only skills. Like here's what AI still sucks at, like empathy, ethics, or creativity that breaks the box, or cultural context, or strategic ambiguity. So master what makes you irreplaceable human. Like AI can mimic, but you must originate. Demand ethical AI. Like we can leave AI in the hands of a few companies. We need open source AI models, transparent algorithms, audits on AI decisions, data privacy laws, digital rights. Because if we don't shape the rules, someone else will, and it may not be in our favor. So in the future, picture this, like doctors using AI agents to diagnose rare diseases, or farmers getting AI weather alerts on cheap mobile phones, or say solo founder launching a startup in 48 hours with three agents as a team. So this isn't a fantasy, this is happening today. But also picture like agents spreading propaganda during the elections, or students never learning to think independently, and corporates replacing half of the workforce with bots trained on their employees' data. So this is also happening now. So the real question is not is AI good or bad. The real question is, are we ready to face it? So let's not fear the rise of AI agents. Let's fear being unprepared for them. They are not coming. They are already here. So let's stop debating whether to use them or not, and we have to start deciding how to use them responsibly, ethically, and creatively. Because in the end, it won't be the AI that replaces you. It will be the person who knows how to use it. Like that person would be much more powerful than the ones who just uses the AI. So thank you for your time.